Hello everyone, this is Németh here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this Lotus Rosace in Affinity Designer. This Rosace is composed of 24 petals overall, and each petal is set to a different color on the color wheel. In order to set the colors, we are going to need to divide the color wheel in 24 equal segments. I found this image of the color wheel divided in 24 equal segments on Wikimedia Commons. I will add the link for it in the description below so that you can follow along with me. And we are going to use each of the colors to set the colors of the petals. Alright, so to get started, we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give 1000 by 1000 pixels in dimensions. And then we go to the Margin tab and we uncheck Include Margin. And we click on Create. And then we make sure that Snapping, Snap to Spread, Snap to Object Bounding Boxes, and Include Bounding Box Midpoints are enabled. And then we're going to start drawing the figure. So we take the Ellipse tool, we leave the fill to gray, and we set the stroke to none. And then while holding Shift, we create a circle of about 200 pixels in dimensions. We select the circle with the Move tool, and we press on Ctrl J to duplicate it, and we move the duplicated circle to the right until its midpoint on its left extremity snaps to the midpoint in the center of the first circle. And then we select both circles, and we go here to the intersect operator, and this leaves us with the intersection of both circles, and this is going to be our first petal. So we take the petal, we center it vertically, and we have its midpoint on its bottom extremity matching the center of the composition. And then we scale it up while holding Shift to preserve the proportions. Until it has a height of about 380 pixels. And then we go here to enable Transform Origin. We set the rotation center in the middle of the composition. We press on Enter to bring out the Move Duplicate panel. We check on Duplicate. And we set the number of copies to 23, as we need 24 overall. And we set the rotation angle to 15. And we click on OK. And then before we start setting the colors, we select all the petals. And we're going to decrease the opacity to around 35%. And then we're going to start setting the colors. So the way that we're going to do it, we take the color picker tool, we select one color, and we set it as a fill color. And then we go back to the figure, we select one petal, and we set the color as fill color for the petal. And then we're going to continue the process for each of the colors. Alright, so now we have set all the colors. If you want, we can give also the figure a bit of noise. 10% or so. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a colorful Lotus Rosace in Affinity Designer. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye!